Now there is another kind of break, that is it is defined from the simple band break. This is a differential band break. Okay, differential band break. Now this is the picture of the differential band break. Everything is same, but there is an extension from this hinge point. This one is the C distance, as S1 is from the C distance. So this and this. Without this is a simple band break. With this is a differential band break. Now these equations are known. Previously we have done it. Okay. Okay. Now taking moment about this point, we get what we get, minus PA, this one for the clockwise movement. S2B is the anti-clockwise movement. This is a clockwise movement, minus S1C. Okay, that is equal to 0. So from here P is found out, S2 into B by A minus S1 into C by A. Put the value of S2 and S1 from this equation. So you replace this S2 in terms of braking torque, and then this is the result. Okay, P is equal to this. Okay, now C is very small. Distance C is very small compared to B. But when C e to the power mu theta is equal to B, then P is equal to 0. And also where B is exceeded by C e to the power mu theta, no P is required. Means this is more than this. So it is a negative, so no P is required. Such condition is self-locking condition. We have discussed self-locking condition where P will be 0 or negative, but when P is only reduced by the term C e to the power mu theta with a minus sign, then it is self-energizing. What I mean, that it has got a value, but it is not equal to this, it is less than this. So there is a value of P. So that is called, actually P is reduced, but it is called the self-energizing. That is, in self-energizing we will get P reduced, and finite value, P has got a finite value. If the direction is reversed, that is anti-clockwise, drum rotation is anti-clockwise, then P will be equal to this equation. C will be here and B will come, it will replace its places. So this is B. Okay, B e to the power, not P. B e to the power mu theta minus mu theta minus c. So 1 by e to the power mu theta minus c, it will be there from this equation. Okay. So, and this is not self-locking, as b e to the power mu theta is always larger than c. C is a very small, na? So it is always larger than since c is generally small, the real self energizing effect is obtained self-energizing effect is obtained in the clockwise rotation. No self-blocking. Okay. Now, braking capacity. The torque which the brake can hold, or the braking torque with respect to which the brake is designed for strength force of effort, pressure, etc., is called the capacity of the brake. But as the brake is applied, some heat is developed. If the temperature developed is very high, then the brake lining will not function well. The temperature will increase if the brake is applied very oftenly. If you apply the brake off and on very frequently, if you apply it, then heat will be more generated. Rating of brake goes with capacity as well as a time factor, such as the braking time, braking torque, and number of times of the application of brake in an hour. To improve the rating, cooling is applied on the surfaces. Okay. Now it is a problem. I will solve the problem afterwards. There is a problem of the band brake. Okay, I will solve it afterwards, not now.